Okay, so if you're wanting to put your title in and you want it to fit in your cells, the first thing that you would do is you come up here to cell A1, and if you're wanting to make your title bigger, I would suggest that you at least highlight A1, A2, and then go across here as far as you believe you want your title to fit. So maybe over here to H1 and 2, from A1 and 2 all the way to H1 and 2, and then you have that highlighted. Right over here there is a button, and on some computers it doesn't say merge and center. Sometimes it's just that image. What you want to do is you want to click on that button, and what you get is this entire cell here. You notice that the lines come out. This entire cell here becomes one. So I can double click in there and I can begin to start typing my title. So let's say this is Brenda's spreadsheet. At that point, you can highlight those words, change up your font size. You can change the font style. If you're noticing that part of that's getting cut off at this point, you can come right over here and you can enlarge your cells that way. You could even come up here and enlarge your cells this way. If I want to just make that cell a different color, right here where the paint can is, you can hit the drop down arrow. You can choose any color that you would like. If I want to change my font color, I just highlight that and down arrow here on the font letter, and I can change the color of the font. If I want to just highlight this or take this section and change the color, I just drag and come right up here again to the paint, change my color that way. If I want to change the color here. So that's just the basics of merging cells, changing the color of the cells, and adding text to cells and changing the font color and the font size.